We studied addition and subtraction of decimals. Here I can give you how to multiply the decimals, multiplication of decimals. We know the multiplication of fractions. Using that, we can find the product of two decimal number. For example, 4.2 into 6. Here 4.2 is a decimal number and 6 is not a decimal number. How can we multiply this one? 4.2 can be written as 42 by 10 into 6. Then it can be written as 42 into 6 by 10. Then without cancelling, we want to multiply the numerators. That is 42 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So it is 252 by 10. We know that if a number by 10, it can be written as 25.2. Here the number is 252. So it is 252.2. Can you find the number of decimals in the questions? Number of decimals in the numbers. 4.2 only one decimal. 6 does not have decimal number. So here in the answer, how many decimals? That is only one decimal. Another one, 6.25 into 7. The same way we can rewrite 6.25 as 625 by 100 into 7. Multiplied 7 and 625. That is 625 into 7 by 100. This can be 4375 by 100. Since the number is divided by 100, we want to write the number as 43.75. In this question, we can see that the total number of decimal places in the question is 2. The answer also containing 2 decimal places. Another one, if both are decimal numbers, what we can do? That is 2.5 into 0.3. Here first we want to write 25 by 10 into 3 by 10. Then 25 into 3 is 75 by 100. That is 0.75. And also we can multiply 25 and 3. What is 25 into 3? That is 75. Then total number of decimal places, 25, 2.5 containing 1 decimal place and 0.3 containing 1 decimal place. So answer should containing 2 decimal places. Another one, 6.15 into 1.2. Without writing into fraction, what we want to do means first we want to find 615 into 12. Then find the product. Then we got 7380. But in this question, total 3 decimal places. 6.15 containing 2, 1.2 containing 1. Then it becomes 7.380. Next question, 4.32 into 0.25. In this, we can see that number of decimal places in each number, that is first number containing 2, second number containing 2. That is total 4 decimal places in the product. First we want to find 432 into 25. So the answer is 10,800. But we want to write the product of 4.32 into 0.25. Then it containing 2 decimal places in each number, total 4 decimal places. First we want to write 108200. Then from this side we want to count the numbers 0080, that is the answer is 1.08. Then let us look into the exercise 2.6. Question number 1, 0.2 into 6. Here we want to find 2 6 are 12. In first number containing 1 decimal places, so we want to write 1.2. Second one, 8 into 4.6. We want to multiply 8 into 4.6, that is 8 into 46. The number is 362, but the question contains 1 decimal places, so the answer is 36.2. Third one, 2.71 into 5. We want to multiply 5 with the 271. It is 5, 5 7s are 35, 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. But this contains 2 decimal places, then 13.55. The next step, 20.1 into 4. That is fourth question. This is 408 and the correct answer is 80.4. Fifth question, 0.05 into 7. Here we can see that 0.05. This contains 2 decimal places and this contains 1. We want to multiply 5 and 7. So it is 35 and total number of decimal places is 2. So the answer is 0.35. Sixth one, 211.02 into 4. Multiplied with the 4, 4 2s are 8, 0, 4, 4, 8. But the question contains 2 decimal places, so the answer is 844.08. Then another one, 2 into 0.86. It is 172, but this contains 2 decimal places, so the answer is 1.72. Let us look into the question number 5 from this exercise, that is 2.5 into 0.3. We want to multiply 25 with the 3, that is 75. The total number of decimal places is 2, so the answer is 0.75. That is second question from this section, 0.1 into 51.7. 1 into any number is that number itself, so 517. Total number of decimal places is 2, so it is 5.17. Then 0.2 into 316.8. Multiply 2 with the 316.8. 2 8s are 16. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 3s are 6. Total number of decimal places 2. That is 63.36. The next one, 1.3 into 3.1. We want to multiply 13 into 31. The answer is 13 into 1 13, 13 into 3 39 plus 1 40. So we can write the answer as 4.03. In this number, 0.5 into 0.05. Total number of decimal places is 3, but we know that 5 into 5 is 25. 25 contain only 2 decimal places, 2 digits. 25 only 2 digits, but we want one more number. That is why we put 0 before 2. Then the answer is 0.025. Another example like this, 0.4 into 0.21. Here we can write the product of 21 and 4 as 84, but total number of decimal places together we want to take, that is 3. Here it is 8 and 4, only 2 digits. We want one more number, that means one more digit. For that we want to put 0. Then the answer is 0.084. The next one, 11.2 into 0.15. Here after multiplying we will get the product as 1680, but we want to write the decimal point and decimal places 3, so the answer is 1.680. The next one, 1.07 into 0.02. Multiply 2 with the 107, that is 214, but total decimal places needed is 4. We want to put 0 here and then put the decimal, that is the answer is 0.0214. The next one, 10.05 into 1.05. Here the product is 105525, but we want total here 2, here 2. Total decimal places 4, so we want to write the point in between 0 and 5. Then it is 10.5525. The next one, 101.01 into 0.01. Since we want to multiply 10101 into 1, so the answer is the number itself, but here we want to check the decimal places. Total 4, so the answer is 1.0101. The next one, 100.01 into 1.1. Here the answer is 110011, but we want 3 decimal places, so we want to place the point in between 2 zeros. That is the correct answer, 110.011. I think all these problems clear, so please copy it.